Hi, this is Jamie with Coastal Business Supplies. Today we are going to go over one of our inkjet heat transfer papers, 3G Jet Opaque, right after this. And we're back. So today we're going to work with our 3G Jet Opaque. Supplies that you will need will be silicone sheets, your paper. I use a weeding tool because sometimes it is harder to peel. And of course your printer. Today we are using an Epson C88 stylus. You also want to make sure that you are going to be using pigment-based ink. So let's get started with the printing. And this is our 8.5 by 11 size. We do carry 11 by 17 as well and 13 by 19. When printing, you always want to print either on a standard setting or a high photo quality setting. And then with 3G Jet Opaque, it does work best with 100% cotton and of course on darker fabrics. Today we are going to be using a black shirt. And there's our transfer. So you always want to peel. I usually peel from a corner. So sometimes you might have some difficulty, sometimes it's very easy. And just one smooth motion. We are going to preheat our shirt just for about 5 to 10 seconds. Okay. Place it appropriately on the shirt. And then we will cover with a silicone sheet. We are going to use our Hottronics Fusion today. We are going to press at 350 degrees for 30 seconds and make sure that that silicone sheet is on top. Heavy pressure, closer to overload. And it is a cold peel. So once we pull off the press, we will pull to the side. When using the 3G Jet Opaque, you do not want to mirror your image. You will notice that on this transfer, we did have a white border. You can always contour cut around, or you can use an X-Acto knife if you don't have as detailed of a design to trim around. After taking out of our press, we are going to allow the transfer to cool. We're going to pull off our silicone sheet, and we have our transfer. And that's it. Thank you for watching our video tutorial. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.